Hello, dear students. In the last period, we have studied about the ozone layer depletion. The last question which I asked to you was about the what could be the another threat to ozone layer. So now we are going to study about the other threat to the ozone layer depletion or ozone layer. Another threat to this ozone layer is probably posed by the use of freons, which is also known as chlorofluorocarbons, which are useful or used in refrigerants or refrigeration process and are useful in aerosol sprays. Aerosol is a type of colloid, and we use this different types of aerosols either into the perfume sprays, or we use them to spray the various chemicals on our farms or on our crops. So this is how the aerosol sprays are used to and they contains freons or chlorofluorocarbons, and they are even the another threats to the ozone layer depletion, even that we studied into the 11th standard environmental chemistry. Now we want to study about the structure of ozone. It is much interesting to note that the two oxygen bond lengths in ozone molecule are identical, that is 128 picometer. You can easily understand that two oxygen bond length in ozone are same and it is 128 picometer. Now when is it possible? Same bond length is possible only when the structure of ozone is represented as the resonance hybrid. So you can see here I have explained you, or I have shown you, the two resonance structures of ozone. Resonance structure 1 of ozone, where three ozones are arranged in an angular manner, where there is a double bond between the first and second oxygen, and there is a single bond between the second and third oxygen. This is how we can easily understand about the first resonance structures. In the second resonance structure, we can see that we have there is a single bond between the first and second oxygen, but now the double bond has been shifted between the second and third oxygen. So this is how these resonance structures collectively give us the resonance hybrid, and this resonance hybrid actually explain the structure of ozone. You can see that in ozone both the bond length are 128 picometer and the bond angle is 117 degree for the resonance hybrid. This is how we can understand the structure of resonance. We have the bond length, that is 128 picometer. We have bond angle, that is 117 degree. The molecular shape of ozone is considered as an angular, and structure is explained as the resonance hybrid of two resonance forms. Now we have the next one, which is next point is uses of ozone. We should learn about the various uses of ozone. So the first use of ozone is used as a germicide and disinfectant. Germicide means killing the germs, and disinfectants means killing the infection causing microorganisms, mainly the bacteria. So ozone actually kills germs and microorganisms, and it is used as a germicide or disinfectant. Ozone is used for sterilizing water. So when we want to make the water free from the germs or microorganisms, we use ozone. Ozone is used for bleaching oils, ivory, flour, and starch. So when these oils or ivory or flour and starch they are produced, they are not good, or they have some colors, but people like to have these oils clear, this ivory very white, this flour very white, and starch powder also they prefer that it should look very good. So to bleach them, to make them colorless, this ozone is being used. Then ozone can act as an oxidizing agent in the manufacturing of potassium permanganate. Please remember, my dear students, that ozone acts as an oxidizing agent in the manufacturing of the potassium permanganate. Now we have some in-text questions to be studied about. We'll study them into the next video. Happy learning, my dear students.